In this video, we are going to demonstrate the SumIF function. The SumIF function calculates the sum of values that match specified criteria, creating a conditional sum. We want to know how many likes there were on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. To total or sum only those records that match a specified condition, you can use the SumIF function. To begin, click in cell K5. To locate the SumIF function, click on FX next to the formula bar. Type SumIF and click Go. Select SumIF under Select a Function, click OK. We are totaling all the Facebook likes for the year 2021. For the range, select cells D5 to D789. Remember to reference the cells and not type the range, as there can be errors as you type. This range must include criteria, so Facebook must be included inside of the range. We want to reference all Facebook likes, and we'll be using Facebook as a criteria. If we choose another column, Facebook will not be found in the range. The criteria is Facebook. You could type in Facebook. Remember to put quotes around Facebook because it is text. Since we want to autofill, you can reference the cell I3. Referencing the cell is better practice because you can use the fill handle to fill the relative cells. If there is not a cell to reference, then keep Facebook for the criteria. Delete Facebook and click in cell I3. The sum_range is the range that we will be totaling. Select cells G4 to G789. In this case, we want to total all the likes for 2021. The sum function only works with numeric data, not text data. Click OK. There are 124,498 Facebook likes in 2021. Click in cell K5 using the fill handle, fill the formula to cell K7. Click the Autofill Options button and then click the Fill Without Formatting option button to retain the banded rows. Because we reference the cells for criteria, cell K6 is referencing the cell I6 for Twitter posts, and K7 is referencing the cell I7 for Instagram posts. You have just learned how to do the SumIF function in Excel.